Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm making my first video. My name is Kenza. I am from Morocco, and in my culture, if we receive a guest in our house, we make for them some Moroccan tea. So today you are my guests. I'm going to make for you some Moroccan tea. Stay tuned. So first thing you're gonna need is the teapot. So I have here multiple sizes of it. There is the medium. This is the one that I use every day. As you can see, the tea leaves some stain inside the pot. This is the family one. It's a little bit big. I've never used it. It's actually brand new. So this is the large one. You can make for 10 people. This is like for five people at most. And we have this small one, this cute one. I am a little bit obsessed about small cute things, so I bought this in my last trip in Morocco. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. You can make small portion, like for me sometimes I make tea in this one and it's a lot, I can't drink it all. So if you want to make about two small cups of tea, you can use the smallest one, or if you want to just try it out and you don't want to invest a lot in a teapot, this is good. My family never liked this teapot because it's just too small. It's useless for them, but for me it's a treasure. I love it. Don't look at me. Ridiculous.
So to make the tea, we're gonna need green tea or gunpowder tea. We're gonna need some fresh mint. I got it from the international store. I have some dry mint and dry tea herbs that I got from Marrakesh. Marrakesh is a city in Morocco. They have the best mint in Morocco, but really you don't need to get that to make a great tea. This is just an option. You can just use fresh mint, any mint that you have. And we're gonna need some sugar and of course the teapot, some boiled water. Let's get started. Now we're gonna start making the tea. You open the teapot, you put 1 tablespoon of the green tea, add about 1 small cup of boiled water inside the teapot, swirl it a little bit, leave it for 30 seconds, pour it in the cup. That's the spirit of the tea. We're gonna need it later, so we're gonna keep it. The tea leaves are now open. We're gonna add another small cup of boiled water, and this time we're going to swirl it very well for 30 seconds. Just a little bit of workout here. So as you can see, the second cup is darker. The tea leaves got rinsed out from all of the dust and whatever it was in it, and we're going to discard this one. We're gonna pour all of the remaining boiled water in there and the first rinse as well. If you still have water, just add it in there. Then put the teapot on a medium heat until it starts boiling, then lower the heat to the lowest temperature and let it boil for 5 minutes. Make sure the teapot is open during the whole process so it won't overflow. After 5 minutes boiling, turn the stove off, add the mint that you have, tea herbs. You can even put vervain if you have it. You can just use mint if you want, and you let it sit for a little bit, like 1 minute. Now we're gonna add some sugar to the tea. We usually put a lot of sugar in Moroccan tea. I personally don't put much. This is just to show you how we make it traditional way, but I use much less than that in my tea. It really depends on your taste. Last but not least, the flipping process. Pour 2 to 3 cups of tea and then pour them back to the teapot. We do this 2 to 3 times just to get the sugar melted and the flavor mixed. We usually make tea for breakfast or in the afternoon before sunset, like after work time or after school, where the family just gathers together around a cup of tea, maybe some cookies or some traditional dish. It's usually the time when we receive a guest just to say hi and chit chat. This is the sound that's engraved in Moroccan minds that rings the bell for that specific time of the day when you just want to have a break and relax. And this is the final result. As you can see from the color of the tea, it's very flavored. The timing was perfect.
And that's it for today's video. I hope you guys like the recipe, that you're going to try it sometime soon. If you do, let me know how it turned out in the comments below, or what you think about the video. If you like my videos, give me the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video. Peace. Bye.